Hi guys.
How much we know each other.
That's a challenge. Part one.
What is my favorite thing to do together with you?
Cuddling.
Late night bike drive.
Very.
When did we exchange phone numbers?
November.
A scenario.
Scenario? Which scenario?
Uh,
What is the condition?
when did we exchange
Ah,
phone numbers?
Alappuzha. Alappuzha.
What was the color of my dress on our first date?
Orange.
It was pink. Which type of movie do I like watching?
Romance.
Crime thriller.
Eppadi crime thriller kandadu.
Which is my favorite color?
Green.
And which is the book that changed my whole life?
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Secret. What was my specialization in B.Tech?
Triple E.
IT.
IT അല്ല.